Welcome to your dream home in the gorgeous gated community of Harbour Oaks in the Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Your journey begins with a lovely courtyard entrance that's perfect for lounging or entertaining. Upon entering your front door, you'll be welcomed to an inviting office space that could easily double as a third bedroom with a full-size bath just around the corner. Ascending to the second floor, you'll enter an open and spacious living dining area featuring tray ceilings and tile floors. Additionally, on the second floor is a modern kitchen, walk-in pantry, a generous family room, and a perfect powder room. Embrace the beauty of outdoor living with a covered balcony tucked just off your kitchen area. Venturing to the third floor, and you'll discover bedroom number 2, complemented by a full ensuite bath and a generous walk-in closet. The master bedroom suite is the epitome of comfort and relaxation. The ensuite master bath has a luxurious jacuzzi tub separate from your walk-in shower. Convenience meets functionality with your very own laundry room, also on the third floor. Come and explore during our open house this weekend, August 5th and 6th, from 11 to 3. See you there.